Well, in this video, I'll show you how to make molar solutions. In this case, if you make 1 molar sodium hydroxide in 1 liter. Of course, first thing you have to do is get the molecular weight of sodium hydroxide. You know sodium is 23, oxygen 16, hydrogen 1, so it's 40 grams. So you got your 1 molar. I put the G just so you know grams. I mean, obviously that I just wrote that there. 1 for the liters, because you're making 1 liter. If it was like 500 milliliters, of course it'd be 0.5, just so you know that. And 40 grams for 40 grams. Let's go ahead and get rid of this because that shouldn't really be there. I don't know why I even did that. Then you get 40 grams per liter. And that would be how you would make the 1 molar sodium hydroxide. Let me show you one more thing. Now here we have our stuff. Here's our sodium hydroxide, as you can see. Here's our balance. Of course, you just place this here. You see how that goes up. Make sure you tear it. Obviously, most of you probably already know to do this, but again, you know, I'm not going to. And then, you know, you tear it. Now you can weigh your 40 grams. I'm not actually going to do it. And then, of course, as soon as you do that, you get your, 1 molar. You put it in. You make sure you have 1 full liter of your solution first. Okay, then you pour the your sodium hydroxide into it. Don't put sodium hydroxide into an empty container and then fill it up to 1 liter. And of course, you may need to standardize it, which I'm not going to go into too much detail, but here's what you're going to use. You simply need either a burette holder, and then of course you put your sodium hydroxide in here. Down in here you'll have an acid like HCl or something that you know the molarity, of course. Then you use your indicator, and then of course you do your simple titration, and of course you use your calculations, and then you get your molar well, you can figure out the exact molarity, because you know this is obviously not going to give you exactly 1 molar. You might get something like 0.984 or 1.2 or something like that. You want to standardize it. Alright, thanks. Please like and subscribe. If you like this video, leave any comments, suggestions. Thanks.